So for today's property tour, we're going to visit one of our top agents, Cynthia Villalta, luxury community, downtown Cabo San Lucas. It's the Pedregal. And a little history, my first introduction to Cabo San Lucas was back in 2001 when myself and a dozen other friends rented 2 houses in the Pedregal. So have always been very fond of the Pedregal. And this house is Vista Cortez, and you have houses that are 2,000 square feet to 20,000 square feet. And you have $1 million homes, condos, and then you have $10 million plus homes. There's a wide range of condos and houses in the Pedregal, and it is a great option if you're a luxury home buyer looking for a gated community and the fantastic location of downtown Cabo San Lucas. Stay tuned. Hello.
Hola, mi. Good. Welcome to Villa Vista Cortez.
So can we start on this level?
Of course.
All right. So
Let's
this
begin
is
in
the
the-
main door.
This is the main door from the street, and you have a huge garage over here. You can park up to 4 cars. That one is a double, this one and this one.
2 small cars or a car plus a...
Of course, and look at the height of the ceilings. You can do storage over there also. So this house is about spaces.
As we walk up the stairs, tell me about what the house features.
Okay, so it's a 6-bedroom house. All of the 6 bedrooms facing beautiful views to the Marina, the Sea of Cortez, ocean, and the city. Over 5,000 square feet of living space, and total 6,700 spaces were designed with this view. So this is your living area, the pool area, the outdoor terrace, and you're overlooking the Marina, Sea of Cortez, and the Pacific.
Infinity Edge swimming pool right here.
Yes,
You have a covered terrace with the outdoor ceiling fans, outdoor kitchen.
exactly, and everything integrates very well with the inside. The kitchen was designed to have special moments here. So from the kitchen, you have a view. Imagine people around you here while you're cooking, while you're washing the dishes.
So can you tell us a little bit about Pedregal and what's going on in the last year or so in the community?
Okay, yeah, so Pedregal is an iconic residential, as you may know. You are on the Pacific side, and also you have used to the Sea of Cortez. You have amenities as access to a semi-private beach. You have pickleball courts, you have tennis courts, basketball courts. There's a new clubhouse called the Mountain Club. I want to concentrate in the views because this house is all about the views.
Well, the fact that you said all 6 of the bedrooms have a view of the water, the city, the marina, that's the Pacific right there.
On the right,
And then on the left is the Bay of Cabo San Lucas with the marina. And what else do we have on the first level?
on this first level, you have the living area, the kitchen, and one of the primary bedrooms.
Can we go there?
Of course. You also have a laundry room and a half bathroom here. This master or primary bedroom also has a view, a big bathroom,
So this one has a shower and a tub.
shower tub. You have a walk-in closet, 2 vanities.
A lot of natural light too, I notice.
That's correct.
So this is the primary on the lower level where the kitchen and
Yes,
paint is.
we have another one upstairs, identical to this one. You can close this door to make it private.
Or open if you want.
Yeah,
So you have the ability to do both.
exactly.
Nice. And the ceilings are high.
A space if you want to add a little storage here.
And then in the laundry room, I noticed in the kitchen there's a little space in the back.
Yes.
So this is unimproved, but you could use this space for...
Yeah, there's mostly service, patio.
Let's go upstairs.
All the house is a air conditioning in the living area, in the primary bedrooms, and 2 of the other guest bedrooms. You have central air. The 2 rooms in the middle, mini splits, the laundry split, and we have a bonus room for you later, also has a mini split.
So this is a replica of the unit that we just came from, the bedroom down below.
Yeah. And again, the view.
Let's go see the guest bedrooms.
Before going to the guest bedrooms, I want to show you, I call it a bonus room. It could be an office, a little gym, or you can name it, with mini splits.
And here you also get the natural light, the view of the Great Rock.
Yeah, Nick, have you noticed in all the house, there's a lot of natural lights? It was designed to enjoy these views, the natural light.
So this is a guest
Suite, share this terrace.
and we still got views.
Of course, in every single bedroom.
So what room in the house doesn't have a view?
All of them have a view. To your right, you have the other 3 bedrooms. This bedroom and the next one are sharing this bathroom that is outside.
The house is being sold unfurnished, correct?
It's been sold, yes.
Fully equipped with the appliances, the air conditioning units.
Exactly. It's just buy your furniture and get in.
The guest bedrooms share. It's very long and spacious.
Yeah, I mentioned to you this house is all about spaces, views. What I enjoy most about this Villa Vista Cortez.
What do people like about the house, including yourself?
The views, it's a huge house because you have 6 bedrooms. You are located in Pedregal, which is a very prestigious community. You are close to downtown, to the shopping, to the dining. So you have everything here. This is the second, well, the other one in the middle, all of them with that beautiful view.
It's very simple. I mean, in terms of layout, everything is facing the water and it's a very contemporary style. So it's what buyers are looking for in today's market.
Exactly. This is exactly what they are looking, modern, new, because this is a new house. So the new owner will be living for the first time here.
So I see furniture here. So this one just has a bed and nightstand to give it.
Yeah, so you can have an idea.
Okay.
That's correct.
But this will not go with the home.
Yes, just this one.
Okay, all right. And this one, unlike the last 2 bedrooms we went through, has its own private ensuite bathroom.
That's correct.
So in total, 6 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom.
That's correct.
And if I'm a buyer of a luxury home, why would I consider Pedregal over, say, a Palmilla or El Dorado, Chileno, Florencia?
I mean, it's super different. Pedregal, it's about location. You are almost in downtown. You are very close to the Marina. You have everything walking distance from Pedregal. You are on the Pacific side and you get a breeze of that Pacific that you don't get in San Jose, for example. All of the other communities that you mentioned are beautiful communities, are different. Pedregal, this is a very unique and for a very specific homes within a very special community. It does not have a bunch of amenities, but the Homeowners Association try to connect every home with some events. And
Pedregal is the fact that you don't need to pay the high monthly fees for golf, the clubhouse, but yet you're inside of a gated community with luxury homes. And so you can go outside the community or sometimes within the community when we're talking to Pedregal with the pickleball, the tennis, the beach, but it's not overdone. So you don't pay that for monthly fees.
exactly, the HOA is very affordable. It's $3,700 per year.
That's incredible for a $3 million house.
Exactly.
Because in the other communities I mentioned, you could be paying 50, 60, over 100,000 a year.
Yeah.
So I see great value in that. So if you're a buyer that doesn't need all of those amenities and is more concerned with the monthly fee, this is a great option.
Pedregal is, yeah.
Talk to me about the vacation rental potential.
Oh my God, this is the king of the vacation rentals. So everybody wants to be here in Pedregal. Actually, this house was designed like a vacation rental home. So you can fit like minimum 12 people. You can fit maybe more. It's all about the views, the entertaining space. So if a buyer is thinking to invest in a property, to use it and then cover the expenses and a little bit more, Pedregal is by far, for me, the most attractive rental community.
Right. I was telling everyone before I arrived to the house that this community was the very first community that I stayed in.
Yeah.
When I came on vacation, you know that in 2001. And it was 2 houses that 13 guys rented, and it was spring break. And that is very common for these
Very
houses.
common here. Large groups are very welcome here in Pedregal. And it's where you have the capacity.
Right.
You have big houses with lots of bedrooms, very close to downtown, to all the dining experiences, the activities, the Marina. So yeah, Pedregal is a very good community.
Well, Cynthia, thank you very much for touring Via Vista Cortez.
Thank you for coming, Nick.
And everyone, if you're interested, a listing agent. And until the next property tour, bye for now.